Want to give your video that classic nostalgic VHS look? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to create an authentic VHS effect in CapCut step by step. By the end, your footage will look like it's straight out of the 80s or 90s, perfect for music videos, vlogs, or any project where you want that cool retro vibe. Alright, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is import your video clip into a fresh CapCut project. If you haven't used CapCut before, just open up the app, tap New Project, and select your footage from your device. It might take a moment for the video to load, that's totally normal. Once your clip is ready, head over to the Effects tab. You'll find this at the bottom or side of the screen, depending on your device. CapCut has a huge library of effects, but for our purposes, you'll want to look under Video Effects. Now, this is where the magic happens. If you're not sure where to start, simply type keywords like VHS, retro, or glitch into the search bar. Alternatively, scroll through the TV category, which is packed with effects designed to mimic old-school television and tape distortion. One of my favorites is VHS noise. This one really captures that grainy, fuzzy look you'd see on a worn-out tape. Another great choice is retro cam, which often includes those little flickers and lines that scream vintage. Once you find the effect that speaks to you, click that little plus icon. This adds it right into your timeline. Don't worry if you're unsure about which effect looks best. You can preview them before adding and swap them out if needed. Now, let's customize things to really make it your own. If you look at your timeline, you'll see the effect appears as a layer above your video. You can drag the edges of this layer to control exactly how long the effect stays on. Maybe you want the VHS look for the entire video, or just for a dramatic intro. It's totally up to you. Simply tap and hold one edge and drag to adjust the start or end. Next, click on the effect layer itself, and you'll see a panel pop up with all sorts of sliders and numbers on the right. This is where you can fine-tune the intensity, speed, and more. For example, if you want your footage to look extra aged, crank up the noise or grain. Play around with the sliders and watch how the video changes in real time. Don't be afraid to experiment here. Sometimes subtle adjustments work best, but if you're going for a really dramatic transformation, higher settings can look awesome too. If you want to take things to another level, check out the glitch category. Adding a glitch effect can intensify that retro vibe, making your video look like it's glitching out on an old VCR. These effects stack right on top of your original VHS layer. Just add them as you did before and adjust their duration and intensity to taste. For instance, adding a brief distorted signal at a transition point can give that extra punch before your video switches scenes. Think of it like seasoning a dish. A little goes a long way, but sometimes a bold flavor is just right. And remember, creativity is key. Feel free to mix and match multiple effects until you get a look that feels perfect for your project. Don't worry if it doesn't look exactly right the first time. You can always tweak and preview your results as often as you want. That's all it takes to give your video a classic VHS transformation in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more effects tutorials. And don't forget to subscribe for more creative editing tips. I'll see you in the next video.